Hello students, welcome back to the online English class. In today's video, we are going to understand the next part of our lesson, the past in the present. We have seen up to this line, the boy's mother means 1910 boy's mother. Let me tell you about your great grandfather who lived in the 19th century when he was young. So already you have seen here how many grandfathers story mom is telling to the boy. See, first 1950s boy. First is the 1950s boy. Then they go forward, they go back, and then 1910 boy. Means this boy is the grandfather of this 1950s boy. Means this is the great grandfather of Neil. Now here this 1910 boy who is the great grandfather, their story here stops. They go back and again 1800 mother and her son come. So great grandfather. Here 1800 boy will be the great grandfather of Neil. Now what happens here? Now you see, as the era is changing, the centuries are changing, the language of these characters, dressing of these characters, thereafter chores means works, household, small big works, these are also changing here. But only one thing is common, the mental tendency, psychological tendency, psychological behavior is same here. The boy is telling that the boy is lazy about keeping his bed and his room, but mother is telling him in each scene, every scene, to arrange his room and keep his bed properly. Now let us see what happens here in 1800. Here 1910 boy and mother recede to where the previous pair stands. Previous pair means this 1950 pair stands. They also go there. Now 1800 boy enters in dhoti, kurta and small turban with his mother in a 9-yard sari. Now dhoti kurta is there and turban is there on the head of this boy. And mother's 9-yard sari and traditional jewelry is there. This is old one. Now we have seen mod outfit. Mod outfit is a traditional but somewhat new. Modern means somewhat new. And outfit, modern mod outfit is a traditional type sari but which is new. Here traditional but older than the earlier, older than that 1910. Now this is how, as the century goes back, the outfit becomes old, older, oldest. Now you see, mother, son, make everyone's beds. Here mother is telling him to make everyone's beds. The boy tells, mother dear, I have washed clothes at the river and put them up to dry. I also chopped the wood, fixed the broken fence, took the goats up the hill to graze. I want to play Atya Patya with my friends. This Atya Patya is a type of a play which was played in India among small children. Why do I have to make the beds? Now the boy is telling these many chores, these many works I have done. Then again why I have to make the beds of everyone? The boy's mother tells him that's your daily work. Your great grandfather did even more. Now go and make the beds. Now this mother is trying to convince the boy. She is telling him that your great grandfather did even more work than this. So you should also go and make your beds. And this is a good habit. 1800 boy and mother recede to where the previous pairs stand. Means pair of 1950, 1910. There this pair also goes 1800. Then enters 1500 boy. dressed in a loose sleeveless V-neck top and short dhoti with his mother in a 9-yard sari. Now this is the great great grandfather of 1800 boy. Now you can assume what is the relationship of this boy and our Neil. Neil and this forefather of mine is from the 16th century. Mom is telling this forefather is from 16th century. Now 1500 boy, my dear father, I have already milked the cows, taken them to graze. Milk the cows means what? The boy has already took out milk of cows. Then taken them to graze, fetched vegetables from our farm, stacked them, swept the backyard and front yard. So here the boy is telling I have stacked them. Thereafter I swept the backyard and front yard, both the yards also, and these many chores I have done. Now may I please go to play Ashtapada with Sampat Bhau and Mahadev Bhau. Why should I make my bed now? So here Ashtapada is also a type of game in that time. So this is older than the 1910 game. So these things are changing here, you can see, but the one thing is common here, the reply of the boy and reply of mother. The boy's mother, why? Don't talk back. Think of your double great 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 grandfather when he was about 14 years old. Now she is telling double great 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 grandfather when he was about 14 years old. 1500 boy and his mother recede, enters 1000 boy in a flare tunic and chudidar waistband and turban with his mother in a sari, upper garment and plenty of jewelry. Now you see here how that 110 boy, 1000 boy, that 1000 boy chudidar waistband. This chudidar waistband and turban is there. Thereafter, mother in a sari and upper garment and plenty of jewelry. Jewelry is more here, you can see in this image. 1000 boy says, most revered mother. Now the respect giving to the mother is also changed here. More respect this boy is giving to his mother. Revered means most respectful. I have fetched water from the lake and poured it into the farm channels to water our crops. I cleared the blocked channels and pulled out weeds. Weeds means the grass, useless grass grown on the earth. And here channels means the small uh, canal like streams which are made to supply water from one end to the plants. At home I patched the mud walls. Patched means what? They used to uh, put a layer of mud on the walls to give finishing to the walls and make them more strong, even strong. There were cracks. Now I have no time for anything else. So he did patching of the muddy walls, and there he filled up these cracks. Now he is telling that I have no time for anything else. I wish to go to watch the puppet show. Why do I have to make my bed? Puppet shows were used to run that time. This puppet show you can see on the internet. Also, if you go on the internet, you will find out what is a puppet show. And why do I have to make my bed? Now also the same question is there. the boy's mother is telling, do not grumble, dear son. Your triple great grandfather. Now you can see here triple great, triple great. Three times triple great means great multiplied by 3, and this is happening 3 times. Grandfather had to do much more when he was your age. So again mom is telling this boy story of his great grandfather. Now let us go there. 1000 boy and his mother receipt. They go back. Enters first century CE boy. First century CE means what? First century CE means after Christ. Dressed in a dhoti and a waistband, no shirt, and his mother in a sari and an upper garment and beads, jewelry. Beads, you know. So these are stones she was wearing in her neck, and such type of jewelry is there, such type of dress is there. 100 CE boy. First century CE means this 100 CE boy. Mata Devi. Now the boy is telling Mata Devi to his mother. See, the language also changed. I fed the poultry. I fed the poultry means what? I gave food to the chickens in the poultry farm. Tended the sheep. Tended means what? He took those sheep and brought back. Kept the birds away for 4 hours in our field. Using a sling. How sling, you know, in the farms, these people used to keep a sling. Sling means a sling shot used to make the birds run away. So a long cloth or rubber was used to tie the stone in it, and these people used to turn that stone, and thereafter they used to collide that stone with the metallic plates, so that a lot of sound is created and thereby all the birds fly away due to fear. That is a sling. Also plastered the yard with dung. They used to plaster the ground also with cow dung or buffalo dung, and this is how these household chores are there. You can see in more basic undeveloped uh, undeveloped conditions, these uh, play is going back, and this is how the works are changing, dressing is changing. Now 100 C boy tells, I wish to go and play bakchal with my friends now. This bakchal, what is that? This you can see on the internet. Bakchal with my friends now. Why do you wish me to make the beds right now? Mother is telling the same thing to the boy, and boy is replying in the same way. The boy's mother, because that is what boys have to do. Let me tell you about your ancestor 300 years ago. Now the mother is not telling about grandfather, but it is a grandfather. Your ancestor 3000 years ago. What happens here? First century boy and mother recede. Enter boy from 3000 BCE. Now before the birth of Christ. BC means before birth of Christ. 3000 BCE. A cloth around the waist held by a cord. Long hair in a bun or ponytail, and his mother sari, a veil, stone and beads jewelry. What type of jewelry is there? Stones and beads are there. Beads which we find uh, in the cup shells of ocean. So here beads are the same, and stones means the shaped stones, precious stones they used to make for using jewelry. Now uh, 3000 BC boy comes and he tells me bow to thee. Now the language is changing. Me means I, bow means giving respect like bowing. To thee means what? You. Me hunted down the food for our family. Me helped father to carve stone bricks for our new house. Me dusted our leather clothes, molded mud pots for cooking and put them to dry. Here the boy is doing a different type of chores. You see, me bow to thee means he is giving respect to his mother by bowing down. He hunted food for the family. Means he killed some animals and that he brought for the family for eating, because at that time even the farming was not there. This is why they used to hunt. Then he helped father to carve stone bricks for our new house. Stone bricks. They used to create their houses, build their houses with the help of stone bricks. This also we can see here. And he dusted our leather clothes. They were using the leather clothes, leather which they were getting from the hunting. From hunting they were getting the food also, and they used this leather for preparing clothes also. He molded mud pots. You can see the molding of mud pots. These mud pots they were making from mud and soil for food, for cooking, and put them to dry. Me need your kind permission to go and play chopar with me friends. So here this grammatical change you can see in the language. By this the writer wants to tell us what is the difference between the scenes and between the time. Why dost thou needs me to make me bed? Now he is asking the same thing. Why dost means why do? Thou means you. Need me to make my bed. Me bed means my bed. The same question is there. The mother, the boy's mother, because me says so. Do it now. Mother is telling, I am telling, this is why you have to do it. All mothers to their sons in turn repeat, do it now. With the boys answering, yes, mother. Now, what is the conclusion here? Up to the 300 BC era, beds were there. And before that, 3000 before 3000 BC era, beds were not there. And this is why the boys were not able to make them. And from there this story, there onwards this series starts of making beds by the boys, because the mothers are telling here why the boys should make, because the mother is telling you should make it. Neil, okay, so young teenage boys have had chores to do outdoors as well as in their homes. Means it was the tradition uh, among people that ladies should do this all household chores, and not the men or the boys. But the boys also should help the mother as well as other ladies in household chores. So this thinking we should change. Neil, okay. So young teenage boys have had chores to do outdoors as well as in their homes. Now, one grammatical question, you identify the tense here. Boys have had chores to do. Identify the tense of this sentence. Mom, very much so. Absolutely right. So, mom is telling yes, you have to do these chores. Neil, I wish I had a robot to make my bed and tidy up my room. Now, in this era, Neil is telling a wish because he had the idea of robot. He is telling that I wish I had a robot. Mom, nothing is impossible. If you try, you can make such a robot also. But even for that, you need to work hard. Means, anyway, we have to work hard. Either for arranging our bed or for making the robot. We have to work hard anyway, and we cannot run away from hard work. So the conclusion is here, we cannot run away from our hard work. We have to do that hard work. The bottom line is go and make your bed. The bottom line means the final line. Go and make your bed. So he has to make the bed, or he has to make the robot, and for that he has to make the much effort. But finally, why can't we make our bed? We should make the bed, and hard work we have to do anyway. This is why not for our day-to-day activities. Here the mother, present day mother, and the boy. Here our lesson finishes. Activities we are not going to do because these are all activities are reduced and they can be done as a self-study. You can do them as self-study. One confusing word was there, mod. Mod means modern. So mod tradition is of two types, modern as well as old. You can say a new tradition, modern tradition, or old tradition. So here the mother who is in mod outfit, it means in new tradition, new dressing, but the dressing is traditional. And thereafter, even if some difficult words are there, there is less possibility of this lesson to come because this is a play. Any doubts, ask anytime. Take care. Thank you so much.